Welcome back to this channel. 100 English sentences using prepositions of manner, agent, or instrument. She danced with grace and elegance. He acted in a professional manner. The baby slept in a peaceful manner. She looked at me with suspicion. He spoke with confidence during the meeting. They worked in a cooperative manner. The teacher explained the topic with clarity. He listened to the music with excitement. The soldiers marched in perfect harmony. He solved the problem in a quick and efficient manner. She dressed in a stylish way for the party. They celebrated with enthusiasm. He smiled with delight after hearing the news. The children played with great joy in the park. She looked at me in a strange way. He spoke with great passion about the project. The dog wagged its tail in excitement. They moved with caution during the hike. She sings with a lot of emotion. He worked in silence for hours. The letter was written by Sarah. The cake was baked by my grandmother. The project was completed by the team. The painting was created by an unknown artist. The song was composed by Beethoven. The book was written by J.K. Rowling. The movie was directed by Steven Spielberg. The report was prepared by John. The problem was solved by the engineers. The decision was made by the committee. The essay was edited by the professor. The play was performed by a talented cast. The meeting was organized by the manager. The house was painted by a professional painter. The new policy was introduced by the government. The artwork was displayed by the gallery. The device was repaired by a technician. The speech was delivered by the CEO. The investigation was conducted by the police. The website was developed by a team of programmers. He opened the door with a key. She cut the paper with scissors. They wrote the report with a pen. He fixed the car with a wrench. The cake was decorated with icing. She painted the picture with oil paints. He played the piano with great skill. She stirred the soup with a spoon. The teacher pointed to the board with a chalk. The building was demolished with a bulldozer. He cleaned the windows with a cloth. The artist sketched the portrait with a pencil. She opened the can with a can opener. He carved the wood with a knife. She made the dress with fabric from Italy. The garden was watered with a hose. He captured the photo with his camera. She fixed the machine with a screwdriver. He played the guitar with a pick. The computer was repaired with special tools. He handled the situation with great care. She responded in a calm manner to the complaint. The gift was wrapped with beautiful paper. The car moved with great speed. She acted with kindness towards everyone. The children ate their lunch in an orderly manner. They spoke in a soft voice during the meeting. He listened with intent to every word. She managed the event with efficiency. The actors performed with enthusiasm. He arrived in a hurry to the meeting. The team played with determination in the final match. She spoke in a calm and soothing manner. He moved in an awkward way during the dance. The crowd cheered with excitement after the performance. The work was done with meticulous attention to detail. They responded in a cheerful tone. The teacher explained the lesson with patience. He solved the puzzle in a creative way. The animals were treated with care and compassion. The book was translated by a skilled linguist. The rules were written by the committee. The test was conducted by the teacher. The house was designed by an architect. The documents were signed by the president. The research was conducted by the scientist. The bill was passed by the government. The proposal was submitted by the manager. The speech was delivered by the guest speaker. The machine was operated by a technician. She fixed the fence with a hammer and nails. He solved the problem with a calculator. The walls were painted with a roller brush. He cut the vegetables with a sharp knife. She typed the letter with a keyboard. He opened the box with a knife. She wrote the note with a blue pen. He played the violin with a bow. The documents were signed with a pen. The paper was cut with a pair of scissors. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming lectures.